I'm going to show you today that how do you reset your Android phone to the to the factory reset. So for that you have to do what you have to do is that you have to just go to the settings. So go to the settings and pretty much at the bottom, yes, where you can see about phone. So that's the place which we use to uh, like reset your uh, phone to the factory setting. But before doing it, keep in mind that you are supposed to like take the backup and save everything either to another device or to your computer or something, or to cloud, before even you reset it, because once you reset to factory reset you are going to lose everything. This phone will be pretty much okay, it will be same as when it came from the factory. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm going to reset it. So yeah, so once you click here, then just go to reset, and you can see here you can reset your all settings, which is all kind of setting on your phone, and the network setting, which is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then accessibility setting, which is basically keyboard, mouse, and all those things. And on the bottom you can see that there is a factory reset option. So yeah, we are going to do the factory reset now. So what you have to do is that you have to just click on that factory reset. Now see, you can see that it's telling that everything will be gone soon, right? So yeah, let me pause it. So yeah, as we can see that everything will be gone, which include a lot of things. Everything will be gone. I mean, pretty much this device will be uh, like new. And you can see that there is a tip written that you can use Samsung Smart Switch in order to back up your device, and also you can use it to transfer it to another mobile. So I got a new Samsung S21 Ultra, so that's the reason why I'm resetting this device to old one, because I have to send it back to them. So you just need to click on reset. Once you click reset, you are going to get an option. So let me put the password here, because you need to put the password whatever you have put, or probably you will be getting a like pattern or pin code depending upon what kind of security you have set on your smartphone. So you just need to provide it that. So let me put my password, and then we are going to proceed. So yeah, I have put the password here, and probably you'll be getting a fingerprint or even a pattern or pin, whatever you have set in order to reset your mobile phone to the factory settings. So yeah, what you need to just do is that pretty much you just need to uh, click next, and this is going to reset everything. So see, you'll get an option. It will ask you that it is going to reset everything and everything will be gone. So I'm going to click on delete all. Okay, Wi-Fi is required. So yeah, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to connect this to Wi-Fi and then continue. So yeah, I have put the Wi-Fi. I have connected my cell phone to Wi-Fi now, and now it's telling that uh, it is going to delete all the data, because I think probably it need to connect to Samsung server or something in order to reset this to factory. So let me do the factory reset. Click on that. Okay, now it is again asking for password. So yeah, once you will put the password, then again it is going to restart the mobile phone, the smartphone, and it's going to reset everything uh, to the factory settings. So you can see that it is erasing right now. So this will take a while, and once it will reboot, it will all the data will be erased, everything will be gone, and this phone will be pretty much like a factory reset, as it was in the beginning. So yeah, once it will come, okay, we're just going to you can see that it has rebooted. I think probably it is going to take us to the login screen. So this is how you reset your Android phone to the factory setting. Thanks for watching.